No, it's this second. Look, it's this one. You got to set the PSI first. So what we're doing right now is blowing all the dirt out of the fuel rail. If you see, it's a little bike nozzle right there, and that silver bar right there. There's injectors right there, and an ejector right over there. What we're doing is blowing all the dirt out of it. This little Ryobi pump right there.
Send her all the way. Let's see how much you got.
This thing is like 35 as the top.
I'm up to 130.
It's not gonna bust anything, is it? Guess not.
Oh, you hear it?
You hear it bubbling?
Yeah, it was blowing it back there. I
Did you hear that fuel pump click on?
Yeah, the key's still on.
I know, but is it like on?
There's a fuel break over there.
Put that son of a
That's that bike nozzle I was talking about. You can definitely smell fuel.
capper.
Oh, hey. Hey-o. Oh. Fuel coming up now. There we go. Now let's try.
Okay.
It doesn't still not have no pressure.
So what?
Yeah, it should
that
still be
fuel
coming
pump-
out of there.
Yeah, it should.
Something wrong with the fuel pump.
It's bubbling now.
You know what I want to use
Bubbling.
a pair.
Oh, we.
She's sparking and smoking, dude.
That's normal.
We also might need a new valve for right there too. It could be a faulty valve.
Oh, yeah. Full Cosby. Oh, ew.